In this video, I will show you how to join a league in Fantasy Premier League. You can follow along on the website or you can do it in the mobile app. First, what you want to do is just head over to the Fantasy section and go to Fantasy Premier League. From there, if you haven't yet picked your team, just go to Pick Team, and from there, just gonna select all the players you want. Now, after doing that, what you want to do is go to Leagues and Cups right there. Then here, just click on Join a League. Now, you can either join an invitational league cup, and you can do this if somebody has given you a league code to enter, or you can just join a public league if you just want to join one that you don't know anyone in, for example. Then you can do a classic or head-to-head, whatever you want to do. And from there, you will then find some leagues. Now, just find one that you want to join and click on Join, and from there, you will then have joined that league. So now you know how to join a league on Fantasy Premier League. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.